Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I was preparing something new, so I thought to share with you. So I'm going to prepare a new texture. This is the white sand cement, the pure cement is mixed with the POP, and this is grainy material, the white one, and I'm going to add this. I will add both ingredients. So let's add this. Like this texture was not up to the quantity, so that is why I have mixed this. Now we can easily prepare the video for 8 to 9 minutes. Like whenever we work with the white textures, the hands look so black because of the reflect of this whiteness. See, my hand looks so black, but these are not the same. It is just because this white material. So let me go that side and mix it properly. I will create a new shape, but once we have to mix this properly. I don't know the result would be, but hope for the good. Hope that it will give softness, because everyone loves the soft texture, no one loves the hard. There will be few people, very few people, who love hard texture. Let's take this out on the floor so that we can mix it properly. Let's take this out. You people ask that how we reuse the stuff which is mixed with the water. So this is the way we do. We mixed more quantity of sand into the wet one. Now you see, I have taken the stuff on the floor, because on the floor we can mix it properly. In the tub it's little difficult. Let me add some more quantity. I bought that 10 kg, so now it will be enough. If you want to see this from near, this is like. So let's mix this. So let me mix this, and meanwhile I'll pause the video, and once it is mixed then I'll show you. Now I have mixed this, the all texture is mixed up, and now we can form the shape. I'm going to pick up some new shape, so just wait. I do have these pretty shapes which I have never used. This is like capsicum or apple, like both, we can see apple and capsicum as well. This also I have not used, this also I have never used. There are like 10 and 15 shapes which I have never used. Why? Because not getting time to prepare. These will take time to prepare, and I'm not getting that much time, so I decided to prepare this shape. You know, big shapes take less time, so that is why I'm preparing big shapes. You know, just because of the shift I'm not getting time, but hope you like the videos. So let's start. So now let's take this out. Just a second. So now let's take this out. Yay! I'm going to bring the next one. I'm preparing at the back side. Let's take this out. Are you able to see? Yes, you can. This is why plastic molds are more comfortable to take out than this from the steel and some other material. It's easy to take the shapes out, so always buy plastic molds. Very easy to prepare, easy to take out. And these take less time than the other molds. So always try to buy plastic molds. See, do you like the shape? This will take like 1 week to get dry properly, so after that I'll prepare the video. Hope you like this tutorial, and thank you so much for supporting and watching my videos. I really need your support. You already know that I do job and I do this ASMR video. You know that I'm preparing ASMR videos as well, I'm doing the job as well, and I'm not getting much time for the channel. So whatever time I'm taking, I always try to do my best. Hope you like my videos. Thank you so much. Keep supporting. Love you all.